How to create a WhatsApp username on iPhone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reserve or create your WhatsApp username if the feature is available on your account. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for WhatsApp and make sure you're using the latest version of the app. If an update is available, tap Update to install the newest version. Once the update is complete, open the WhatsApp app. Tap the U tab in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the Edit or Pencil icon in the top right corner to open your profile settings. Scroll down until you see the Username section and tap it. If the feature is available for your account, tap Create Username or Username. Enter the username you want to use. WhatsApp will automatically check if it's available. If your preferred username is available, tap Save to reserve or create it. If you don't see the username option yet, don't worry. WhatsApp is rolling out this feature gradually, so it may not be available for every account yet. And that's it. You now know how to create or reserve a WhatsApp username on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more WhatsApp tips and tutorials.